Hello, welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Notion, a powerful, all-in-one workspace for organizing your life and work. In this video, we will be exploring the Notion pricing plans and helping you find the perfect fit for your needs. So let's get started. So, Notion offers a variety of pricing options designed to cater to different users, from individuals to large teams. So, let's take a closer look at each plan. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Notion account and then go to Setting and Members, and then you will see Upgrade here and you will find the pricing plans of Notion. So first up, we have the free plan. As the name suggests, it is absolutely free of charge. This plan is perfect for individuals or small teams who want to explore Notion's basic features and get a feel for the platform. So next we have the Plus plan. It priced $10 per month or $96 per year. This plan is for individuals who want to take their productivity to the next level. And now let's move on to the business plan. So this plan is perfect for small to medium-sized teams who want to collaborate seamlessly and efficiently. Okay, lastly, we have the enterprise plan. This plan is for larger organizations with specific needs. And then here you can see all plans, and you can check all plans if you want to see more detail about it. So there you have it. Notion offers a range of pricing plans to suit various individuals, teams, and organizations. Whether you are just starting out or managing a large-scale operation, there is a plan that fits your needs and budget. Happy organizing! Don't forget to like and subscribe.